Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Spread Education channel. So today's topic is bubble sort. So what does sorting means? Sorting means to arrange the values in the increasing or decreasing order, like in any particular order. Okay, so how does bubble sort work? So we are having an example. This is an example. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you the way my teacher taught me, like according to that method. Okay, so we are having an example. At first what we have to do is to, let me choose a different pointer. Okay, so what do we have to do is, at first we have to do is to make the first element bubble like this. We are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements in an array. So I'll make this the first element at the 0 position, at the 0 index. I'm gonna make it bubble. Okay, so we have to compare the bubble element with the adjacent element. If it is smaller than the bubble element, then we will shift the bubble with the greater element, and if it is greater than the adjacent element, then we will swap that element. Now let's get started. Okay, so compare this bubble element with the adjacent element. It is greater than the, it is greater than 11. So 11 and 12, and all the rest of the elements remain same. Okay, now what I have to do is to compare this bubble element with this, and it is smaller than this. So what I will do is I will shift this bubble here, like 11, 12, 13, 8, 74. Okay, now let's compare this bubble element with this, and it is obviously greater than 8. So we will shift the element with the bubble here, and all the things will remain same. 17 and 4. Okay, uh, now I'll compare this 13 with 17. So this is at the right position. So I'll compare. So I'll move this bubble to the adjacent element. So now compare this bubble element with the adjacent element. It is obviously greater, so I'll swap it. No. Okay, so this bubble element is reached to its original place. Okay, like this is sorted. Okay, only this part is sorted yet. Okay, so this was the pass one only. This was the pass one only. Okay, so it is reached to its place, and this part is sorted. So now make now in pass 2 I'll make the first element bubble. Okay, like 11 as bubble, 12, 8, 13, 4. I will not touch this part because it is already sorted. So I'll do the same thing which I have done here. So now compare the bubble element 11 with 12. It's at its place because it's smaller and it's greater. So I'm gonna move the bubble on 12, 8, 13, 4, and this part will remain same. Now compare this. So 13, 4 and 17 will be same. Now compare this. It's at its position, so the bubble will move to the adjacent element. Now 13 will be here, and the 13 will be here. And now 13 and 17. Now this part is sorted. Okay, this part is sorted now, so we will keep on doing it. After that we will have a sorted array like 4, 8, 11, 12, 13 and 17. After many passing, we will have this kind of sorted element. So this is the algorithm of this bubble sort. If list I is greater than list I plus 1, swap list I plus 1, and if and for and. Okay, so there are the complexities. There are 3 complexity in every algorithm. The first one is best case. The best case complexity of this bubble sort is, we go notation n, and the average case complexity is, we go n square, and the worst case complexity of this bubble sort is the same. So this is the end of the video. If you guys like my video, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and keep me in your prayers. Thank you for watching. Love it.